To them, predators are the victims. This is Law and Society. Please subscribe. To Trump's DOJ, the child sex predators who were part of Epstein's child sex cabal are the victims, not the children who are now grown women who had their innocence grabbed from them. The Department of Justice carelessly or intentionally published victim survivor information as part of the 3.5 million files data dump. It could have been to intimidate survivors to not come forward. They redacted many names, the powerful and influential predators being among them, but made a lot of survivor information public without the consent of the survivors. This gives each survivor who had their identities made public strong claims in civil court, and they should seek legal help to sue the living daylights out of our federal government. Thomas Massie, a Republican who has been on the case of the Epstein files, has said that he would himself make those names public if the DOJ doesn't. Should he do that, he'd read them out on the House floor and be immunized from legal liability under the speech or debate clause. The speech or debate clause is a constitutional immunity. It is the only constitutionally enumerated immunity that is there to protect members of Congress who, during the course of their legislative work, speak of something on the House floor, or if anybody who is part of Congress's staff and they are on behalf of their respective congresspeople conducting legislative matters and investigations, reading that investigation and results from it on the House floor, Thomas Massie has speech or debate clause protection. So if you rob children of their innocence and abuse them, if you traffic in children and young women as playthings for the rich and influential, you should find peace nowhere. You deserve no respect. You deserve no accolade. You deserve to be exposed and to have your life turned upside down. You deserve to be held accountable. Your name and deeds need to be made public. I don't care if you're a former president or a current one. If you were even in the ambit of trafficking young children, you deserve to be brought down from your ivory tower and pilloried in the town square. Proverbially tarred and feathered, you should be marked as a forsaken soul, shunned by civil society and cut off from it. Until that happens, survivors and victims will not get the justice that they are rightly owed. And until that happens, we the people must not relent in our pressure campaign to make sure justice is done. What Epstein and his buddies did has left an ugly stain on America and our culture. This evil is not our culture. This evil is evil and not part of any civilized culture. And we need to make that clear to Americans and the world. That responsibility falls on every single American citizen, every single American lawmaker, and every single public speaker to stand up and say, no, these women who had their innocence snatched from them deserve justice, and nothing short of full justice. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.